Knowing that y equals sine x is an odd function, sketch y equals sine x and then find sine of negative pi over 2. So let's do this. Let's focus on just the positive version of this. Sine starts at 0, 0, peaks out, bottoms out, repeats. Okay, so it repeats every 2 pi. Pi is where it hits the x-axis again. Half a pi is where it peaks out, and it bottoms out at 3/4 of pi. Or 3/2 of pi, 3/2 of pi. Now, the rule for an odd function is that f of negative x equals negative f of x, right? So what that means here is sine of negative pi over 2 is the same exact thing as negative sine of regular pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 peaks out at 1. So this is going to be negative 1, which makes my answer A. And if we wanted to draw that out further, right, you would bottom out around here, bottom out, and then come back up. And so that bottoming out would happen at negative pi over 2. But, the whole purpose was to not draw that graph and to see if we can use the odd function to figure things out for us.